Welcome to today's video. In today's session, we're going to go over the pre-market analysis of the pairs that are on my watch list and look for potential trading opportunities that might occur for this coming trading week. With that being said, if that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value on it, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start obviously with DXY, the US dollar currency index. So last week was crazy. Obviously, during the weekend, there was a major fundamental. And before the week opened, I dropped the video explaining how I anticipate prices to be playing out based off the data. And we can see prices reacted to it positively as Monday prices opened with a crazy bullish momentum. Not really pushing to where I anticipated it to, but then lost momentum, started retracing, and finally the week closed somewhere there. So what am I anticipating to see happen this coming week? Obviously, you can still see that the trend is still clearly bullish. I'm anticipating to see this major retracement once prices hit that solid structure over there. But it's clear that prices don't really have the momentum to keep on pushing hence the retracement. So what I'm really looking forward to, if we look at it from a 4-hour perspective, we can see it much clearer as prices are still in this clear bullish trend and prices are actually haven't broken structure yet. So as we approach this new week, I'm still anticipating to see prices make another go for this high. As you can see how prices closed on Friday, right? So what I'm anticipating to see happen is for prices to gain momentum on this trend line as we have these three solid touch. Right? That's the first, that's the second, and that's the third. So I'm anticipating to see prices react positively there. Okay, that's great. So I'm anticipating to see prices react from there until somewhere up there to finish that bullish move. And then once prices reach there, that's when I'm anticipating to see this retracement occur and prices fall off all the way until somewhere down here. That's my view on DXY. However, should prices keep on pushing lower, prices will have to break this structure here. Like prices will have to create a low that's lower than that. And then once that happens, we'll just have to look for that retracement. As we understand, prices will have begun the trend, and we'll be looking for prices to push low until somewhere where the trend began at around 102.90. That's my view on the dollar. So obviously, once we get that solid bullish confirmation here on Monday, we'll be looking for buys. However, should the bearish pressure persist and break structure, we'll be looking for sell. That's my view on the dollar index and how I'm anticipating it to play out this coming week. How will that be affecting other currency pairs? Should the dollar start dumping? Obviously, this is the move. I'm still looking to go short on USD JPY. A couple of reasons: the dollar being weak, dropping lower, and JPYX looking to be strong. I'm anticipating to see this kind of move play out. This price has already broke the most recent low. So this, I consider it some kind of a retracement. So I'll be really looking to see if we get any solid confirmation, as this isn't a confirmation yet. So that's what I'll be looking for, some kind of a confirmation for us to take the trade and prices swing low until somewhere here. As you can see here, prices are actually on this structure right now, somewhere up here, right? So you can see how it reacted the last time it was here. So now I'm anticipating to see prices retrace until somewhere here before we continue that solid bullish move. Because make no mistake, the dollar is still in a bullish trend. Whatever trade you are going to be looking for to take short, this is just a retracement. This is just a correction, because the major move of the dollar is still bullish, right? So we need to keep that in mind. So Euro USD, obviously, we'll be looking for retracements for prices to push till somewhere there, and then prices to dump. GU, same thing applies, right? So prices looking for it to push somewhere up here before it dumps, and then we take off, right? Gold prices really kept it going, didn't give us a retracement, pushed all the way until it reached this structure down here. And you can see once it reached here, like, if you know how to read momentum, you could have seen this move play out ages ago. Like, prices came out with a solid bearish momentum. As they were approaching this structure, you can see the candles were getting smaller and smaller. That means they were losing momentum. And then now you can see prices close with this solid bullish momentum on Friday. This is a clear indication that prices are now ready to take off, and prices will be pumping higher in the coming week, right? So that's my view on gold, and it's a clear picture. Like, I have no doubt gold. Now, how will that be impacting the other JPYX pairs? Should the US dollar become weak, obviously JPYX is inversely correlated to that, so we'll be looking for buying opportunities on this pair. However, we can see prices have been ranging since August. No structure, like pure range, no trend. So it's clear that prices don't really have what it takes to keep on pushing lower, as prices just keep on bumping on this structure here, giving a false breakout, pumping back up, giving a false breakout, coming back down. This was a crazy day, by the way. This was on Tuesday, I can't remember. Like, USD JPY dumped like 265 pips in 5 minutes. I was like, whoa, what's going on? Yeah, right? So it was a crazy day, but it is what it is. So prices retraced from that and then just dumped all the way until they reached up here. So my view on JPYX is actually to see a bullish move from it. Because if the dollar is going to be weak, JPYX will obviously be strong. So I'm anticipating to see prices take off with a solid structure, a solid bullish structure, and pump higher until that's the structure I'm aiming for. This one right here. However, we still need to get a solid bullish confirmation before we actually make a move, because right now prices are still just trending. You will have better luck trading it until the next structure right here, right? So if you get a solid confirmation right now, let's take trade until somewhere here, exit the trade, and then once you break out of the structure, then you can take another continuation trade until somewhere there, because prices are still in a trend, and what we are doing is anticipating. You can't really predict the market. All you have to do is anticipate and follow the market moves that they're making. So that's my view on JPYX. Now, how will this be affecting other currency pairs? Glad you asked. Obviously, you've already discussed it with USD JPY. I'm expecting to see a bearish trend because it's inversely correlated to the JPY, right? USD, Euro JPYX, I'm anticipating to see it tank with the first target somewhere here, obviously, because prices are still in a range. There's no doubt about that. And then once prices break below here, then we can be looking for continuations for prices to push lower until this structure right here. So that's my view on Euro JPY. CAD JPY, I'm anticipating to see a continuation as prices had already began this bearish trend, and we can see prices broke this most recent low and recently just came back to retest it. So I'm anticipating to see a continuation from here for prices to keep on pushing lower, and we can actually use the Fibonacci extension to to understand where prices are most likely going to push. And these will be the first targets, and these will be the final targets. First targets and final targets. So that's how I'm anticipating to see prices play out on CAD JPY. And that's the last pair that I have on my watch list for this coming week. So if you found value in this video, consider giving us a like. Don't forget to share with a few friends that you believe will find value in. And if you're not yet subscribed, you're missing out, because you're missing out on the best content there is out there on Forex. I'll see you guys when the markets open. Hope you have a great trading week. Till then, I appreciate you for staying in. Peace.